So my name is Rémi Jaligot. I started my PhD at the Urban and Regional Planning Community in February 2017 under the supervision of Jérôme Chenal. So my work is mainly on rural areas and especially agricultural areas and ecosystem services. So in Switzerland, rural areas make up 77% of the territory and encompass approximately 25% of the population. We have to know that 1.1 meters square of arable land is lost every second in the country. So the cleavage between urban areas and rural areas need to be closed, and the Swiss territorial development measures are mainly based on the densification of urban centers. The economic competition between urban areas, various social challenges, and the increasing strain on land productivity is driving the densification of urban centers. There is about 1.05 million hectares of utilized agricultural areas, so UAE, in the country. 0.44 million hectares are land crop rotation areas, or surface d'assolement, that emanate from the agricultural policy of 1951 that wanted to ensure food self-sufficiency in the country. However, the issues with those areas are threefold. First, the split is very unequal. The second issue is that land crop rotation areas now is a powerful tool in the context of the densification of urban areas. The third issue is that there is a conflict of objectives between land crop rotation areas and ecosystems. Why? Because land crop rotation areas have been defined solely on the quality of arable land, and none of other environmental factors were taken into account. Various subsidies, market supports, direct household payments, and so on have been shaping agriculture, and none of other factors have been taken into account. So the first hypothesis of this research is to test that those economic-driven measures have had a negative impact on other ecosystem services than food production. From this, the second hypothesis tests that the Swiss government system, so the federalist system, may not be a driver of ecosystem preservation. That if we consider the direct or indirect impact of food production on other ecosystem services, then the distribution of land crop rotation areas might be different. So, to conclude, the aim of the study is to understand the future of rural areas, and particularly agricultural areas, if we take the approach of ecosystem services and not only economic or the quality of arable land on its own.